Hello, frog. Hello, teacher. Welcome to my home. Oh, is this your home? Yes. I love my home. I like my home. Okay, mister. Okay, my students, welcome to my class. And you, frog, welcome to my class too. Okay, you need to copy in your notebook date, topic, performance. The topic of today is a review of this week. Is a review. Performer is school subject. We make a review unit 1. Third grade, back to school. Vamos a hacer un repaso, Frog, de los temas que hemos visto hasta el momento, para que todos se acuerden. Ok, mister, empecemos. Ok, match the school subject to the pictures. I read. English. I love English. Math. I frog. The math is necessary. Physical education. Oh, I love physical education. Computer science and music. Okay, please. English. English. Oh, the book is this. Okay, English. English. Math. Math. Physical education. Computer science and music. Very good, Frog. Excellent work. Okay, this is the second exercise. Read and mark the sentences true or false. Okay, first we watch that. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Very good. And we have 5 questions about this. Okay? Yes, teacher. Start. Empecemos. Rápido. Ay, Frog. Ok. Nos dice, what? ¿Te acuerdas que era what? Identify. Muy bien. What days do we have English? Oh, yes, I like. Monday, English? No. Tuesday? Yes. Wednesday? Yes. Okay, and we have English on Tuesday and Wednesday. Miremos la pregunta o la afirmación. We have it, English, we have it on Tuesday and Wednesday. Is true, true, true. Muy bien. Very good. Continue. What time do we have geographic? Entonces, miremos geographic. Okay, geographic. Tuesday, geographic. Okay, continue. We have a 10:30. No, is false. In this, no. In this hour, okay? Is false. Continue, frog, with do we have physical education at 12:45? Physical education, 12:45. No. Okay, mira, look. No, we don't. Entonces no tienen. It's true because we don't. Number 4. What day do we have art? Art. Look, art. Art. Monday? Yes. Yes. Tuesday? No. Wednesday? No. Okay, continue. What day do we have art? Monday. Look, Monday. Monday. We have it on Monday. True. Okay, and The last. What time do we have Spanish? Time. Don't worry about the time. El tiempo lo vamos a ver después. Lo importante ahora es ver las materias relacionadas con los días, ¿ok? What time do we have Spanish? Entonces, Spanish, Monday, no more, Monday. Time, 8:20. We have it at 8:20. Is true. True, teacher. Okay, true. Very good. Okay, this is the activity for today. Remember, it's not necessary that you copy all again. It's only review the concept. Que no tienen que copiar esto de nuevo. Solamente es para repasar. Pero sí copian el día, el tema, el desempeño para tener un orden en su cuaderno. Pero no los regañes. Oh, teacher, yo no los estoy regañando, les estoy diciendo. Okay, Mr. Frog. Okay, bye, my students. Bye, bye. Look, my home. I go to my home. Okay, bye, Frog. See you, Frog.